me, Jamie from Zoo School. I have a super fun activity to share with you today. It is making seed balls. So as you can see, a seed ball is a ball of dirt mixed with seeds. So you might get your hands dirty with this activity. You can wear gloves if you'd like. Seed balls are a traditional planting method used for thousands of years. The dirt encases the seeds and protects them from the elements and from the birds. And then when it's the right growing season, the seeds are ready. So this is a great thing to do if you want to spread some native plants in your area or even in your own backyard. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need is a pie pan or any kind of tray that can get wet. Anything will work. You're going to need a little bit of water. You're going to need some dirt. You might have different kind of soil than this. This one is very composty. It's good if you have a mixture of clay and compost soil, but if you only have one kind, that's completely fine. And then lastly, you're going to need your seeds. So here we have a mix of native wildflower seeds. You can even collect seeds if you'd like. So very first step, get your tray, put a little dirt into your tray. You can get however much you'd like. Then you're going to put in your seeds. Make sure you poke a little hole in your dirt and you put your seeds right in the middle, and you're going to mix this together. Once that's all mixed up, time to add your water. You might want to have an adult do this for you, and just add a little bit of water. You want the consistency to be like cookie dough. So you might have to add a little bit more dirt, a little bit more water. It's all gonna work out. And there we have it. So you're gonna pick it up and press it into your hand. Press the seeds into your hand. And good. Here we go. Here is your finished seed ball. You can leave that to dry for a day or two, and you can throw it wherever you want. You can do it in your backyard, or you can do it in a lot near your house. The best thing to do is to put it into a sunny area because most of our wildflowers need full sun. Alright guys, thank you so much.